and welcome to another video of Vice Bus. Meet John. John is a busy professional who juggles multiple projects and deadlines. He often finds himself working long hours, sacrificing his personal time to complete his work. But what if there was a way to make his work easier, faster, and more efficient? If you're in the same position as John, this video is for you. In this brief video, I will show you how to get started and how to maximize your experience with FireFlies. FireFlies AI is a virtual assistant that uses artificial intelligence to help you save time and streamline your work. It is like having your own personal assistant who never sleeps and is available 24/7. Using FireFlies AI is simple and easy. Just sign up for an account and log into the dashboard. Once you sign up and log in, you will land on the welcome screen. Here, you can view your upcoming meetings and see which ones Fireflies can join. You can also toggle on off Fireflies attendance to any of these meetings. From there, you can schedule your meetings, take notes, and even transcribe your calls and meetings in real time. Fireflies AI integrates with all major video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. So, all you have to do is connect your account and Fireflies AI will automatically join your meetings and take notes for you. Approximately 5 to 10 minutes after a meeting, Fireflies will transcribe, summarize, analyze, and send you a meeting recap. The meeting settings located at the top right corner of the screen allow you to customize how and when Fireflies joins your meetings. For instance, you can choose to have Fireflies only join meetings you organize, or join meetings only when you invite Fireflies explicitly. Fireflies will join as a participant, and you can set it to join internal or external events. The AI-powered transcription feature is incredibly accurate and can transcribe even the most complex conversations with ease. And the best part is that you can access these transcripts at any time, so you never have to worry about forgetting important details. Regarding the recaps, you can opt to have them sent only to you, to everyone on the invite, or to participants from your company. Conversely, if you did not invite Fireflies to a meeting and did not configure your settings to allow automatic attendance, you can use the Add to Live Meeting function. Just input the video conferencing URL and invite Fireflies AI. Within 1 to 2 minutes, Fireflies will join the meeting as a participant. If you already have an audio file or recording, you can upload MP3, MP4, M4A, or WAV files. Fireflies support both video and audio uploads. If you prefer to use Fireflies without having it join your meetings, you can use the Chrome extension designed specifically for Google Meet. It captures the audio directly from your browser. With Fireflies AI, you can also schedule your meetings and appointments with just a few clicks. Simply choose a time that works for you, and Fireflies AI will send out invitations and reminders to all the participants. Now, let's have a look at your calendar. When you have an upcoming meeting, Fireflies AI note taker will request to join. Typically, the name will have Fireflies AI note taker, and then the name of the person joining on behalf of Fireflies. You can let Fireflies into the meeting and it will appear as just another participant. Mute it. If you don't want Fireflies to keep recording the meeting, you can simply remove it from the call. After the meeting, you will receive an email with a transcript on the right-hand side. You can click anywhere on the transcript to listen to the conversation as well as search through it. Speaker detection is available for major platforms like Google Meet, Teams, and Zoom. So Fireflies separates the transcript by speaker. In the middle, you will have the video recording of the meeting, which is valuable if you shared your screen or presented slides. Additionally, you'll find an AI-generated summary, comments section, and reaction options like thumbs up, down, bookmarking, and sound bites. Another great feature of Firefly's AI is the search function. You can search for specific keywords or phrases in your transcripts, notes, and even emails. This makes it easy to find important information quickly and efficiently. One of my favorite features is Soundbite, which allows you to highlight a valuable piece of information on the call and create a 10, 20, or 30-second clip. You can copy that link and share it with your teammates so they don't have to listen to the entire call to get the gist of what was said. The left hand panel is the Smart Search Filters selection. Here, you can quickly browse the transcript for specific questions, dates, and times, metrics, potential action items, and even sentiments, positive or negative. And the best part is that Firefly's AI is available on all devices, including your mobile phone. So whether you are at your desk or on the go, you can access all of your notes, transcripts, and schedules with ease. So, whether you are a busy professional like John or just looking for ways to save time and be more productive, Firefly's AI is the solution for you. Sign up today and experience the power of AI at your fingertips. That's it. With Fireflies, you will save time and ensure that your meetings are more productive and organized. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.